Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Mazda MX-30 by Matchbox Japan series. The base and tires are plastic. The wheels roll nicely. It has opening part feature. You can open the rear trunk at the back. It has front and light details. It also has side mirrors. The only con is only at the rims. The rims color look unrealistic. You can swap the wheels with real riders for better detail. Now, if you look closely at the rear trunk, you can see a dog detail sleeping in it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.